Foundation Repairs, DFW.
One of the things you may ask yourself is, how may I get my foundation fixed right the first time? Hello, my name is Dave Hall. I have 45 years experience running a construction business, and I understand customer service. Back in the 70s and 80s, two of my biggest customers were Walmart and Southern Corporation, the 7-Eleven folks. You had to have experience, integrity, and reliability. I now spend most of my time redoing previous repairs done by my competitors that have little or no construction experience. Repairing the foundation is like open heart surgery on your home. If the contractor has never built homes or buildings before, you wonder why they do not know where to put the piers, how to space them properly, what kind to use, how to install the piers they're selling you, how much to lift, how not to overlift, and how to do the lifting in a manner that will cause the least amount of new damage. I challenge you to go to my competitor's website and try to figure out what they were doing before they started their foundation repair business that now makes them think they are qualified to do a structural repair on your home. Don't make a mistake with your foundation. Call All American Foundation Repair. Please visit our website.